Hey everyone, my name is Mike Mello. I'm a broker associate and co-owner of Preferred Real Estate Brokers. Today we're in Lake Nona in a community called Laureate Park. It's an absolutely beautiful community here in the Lake Nona area. We're going to show you this home behind me. It's the Brewer model by Craft Homes. It's a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath home with 2,247 square feet. Now the base price at time of filming, which is December 2nd, 2022, it's gonna be $620,990. That's the base price, does not include lot premiums, does not include upgrades. The house behind us does have a lot of upgrades, so do keep that in mind. And if you are interested in purchasing a home anywhere in Florida, make sure you give us a call at 407-487-3030. Get you in touch with a realtor who will tell you all the information that we have and actually send you some other homes as well that may interest you in the area. So come ahead and follow me. Let's talk a little bit about the home. So as we come up, the first thing you know is sort of like a modern elevation with the way that they design with the flat roof and of course all the design features on the front. Now this specific home, currently the builder is not offering the second story over the casita here. So it'll just be one story here, sort of, and right where that gray roof line is halfway up. But if you do want that 2-story one, there probably going to be some resales available from time to time that do have that. So do keep that in mind. We do have the pavers that go up, and it goes up to a couple steps that come up to a front entryway. It's a little bit of a tricky front entryway. Let me show you what I mean. So if I go in here, and today we have Jonathan, who runs our Spanish channel, actually filming today. So let me go ahead and I'm going to close it and leave Jonathan out. I'm going to lock the door so he's not going to be able to actually see me, and then I'm going to keep on going. So let's see how that lock works. Well, it doesn't really work. It's sort of like a design door. It's really neat. I like the feature. And you come over and you come to the rest of the home. So here's the casita. It can be set up as an office or a bedroom. It has a half bath in there, or you can make it into a full bath if you want to make it into a bedroom. So that would be your 4th bedroom if you're looking for that 4th bedroom. And then of course we come over to the little courtyard that's in between the casita and the main home. So this is really nice. We have this little living room area out here, so you can imagine in the summertime, right now actually we're in December and it's beautiful out. Nice temperature, feel like you're in air conditioner right now actually. And of course we have the seating area around us. And then on this side, we have what would typically be sliding glass doors, but they have these clear garage doors. We'll show you that inside a little bit more in detail. We have a balcony above off the primary bedroom suite. And of course on the other side, we do see that we do have the casita, has a sliding glass door as well. And then if you did get a resale, you might get one with the 2nd story, which has a spiral staircase going up to an additional bedroom upstairs. Unfortunately, they don't offer that anymore with the new construction. So going back over this direction, we have our front door. The front door matches the courtyard door. This one actually does lock. There's no way around this specific one. So let's go ahead and go inside and check out this home. All right, so welcome inside. The first thing, of course, I notice are these beautiful wood floors that go throughout the whole first floor of the home. And then of course, as we go to the right, we see the living room. It's a nice sized living room. It's only a 2,247 square foot house, so it's not a large home, but this is a large space for a living room. So we have our sectional couch, nice little cabinets here, and of course the TV, a few windows going all the way across. Actually, there's 5 windows going all the way across, all the way over to the office as well. Now, on the other side, you see a really good view of that garage door feature. Kind of unique. Haven't seen this, maybe in one other builders does something like this, but it's really neat where you have the actual glass and then you can open it all the way up across to the top to the living room. So as we go over to this direction, we come over, actually, let me ask Jonathan if you can go over closer to the front door so that you get a view of what happens when you come into the home. So this will be the view that you have. You have the stairs to the left, of course, the living room, and then of course you see the dining room and the kitchen as well. So come back over here. Let's talk a little bit about the dining room. It's currently set up for 6 people. We have a couple light fixtures above the dining room, which is really neat. And then over on my left to your right would be the office. So a nice little built-in. This is probably like a little upgrade here. We have of course all the drawers, little sitting area, so you can sit here, get all your office work done as well, or look at recipes for different types of food. So we have a refrigerator. It's a side-by-side refrigerator with the freezer on the bottom, cabinets going all the way around. And then of course the center island. The center island is really neat, nice size, beautiful countertops with the waterfall edge on it as well. They even have some nice cool lemonade here. So, so it's all fake. You know, this is what the model homes are about. Even the lemons are fake here that we have as well. So another neat feature is the window going out, some natural light coming in if you want that. And of course that cabinets, you get a good view of the cabinets from here going all the way around. And of course we have that. So we have the backsplash. It is a hexagon backsplash, really beautiful designs, and it matches the countertops and of course the white cabinets as well. And then we come to our stovetop nice air vent here, and I love these shelves that go on either side, which are sort of bordered with that backsplash, and of course this decorative design, those turquoises with the grays, I think work really well. Now on the other side, we do see we have the sink, it's a farmer's sink, stainless steel, goes a little bit below the actual countertop here as well. We have our dishwasher, and of course more drawers on this side. On the left, we have our oven and microwave combo, shelves going all the way up to the top, and then we have a little coffee area over here so you can make your morning coffee if you want. Now, as we come this direction, we do have our drop zone where you can put your dog leashes, hats, backpacks, whatever you need, and then over to the left is going to be the 2-car garage. You're currently using it as an office, but that'll be converted back to a 2-car garage when that's all said and done. Now, if I come over to this other direction, I'll show you what's on this wall on this side. So the first thing, of course, we have this really neat sliding door. And if I open it up, we have the pantry. So plenty of space there for your dry storage. Of course, you have all the cabinets around the kitchen as well that you can use. And as we come this direction and go to the right, we do have a half bath with the toilet and also the sink. So it's a pedestal sink, nice mirror, nice little area here. And of course, we have the sliding door for privacy, so you can close that and be all set. Now, on the other side, we do see that we do have some shelves. This is a really neat little feature underneath the stairs where we have the 3 shelves with the cool little decor on it as well. And that's right next to the living room. So let's go ahead and check out the upstairs. But of course, before we go up, we'll talk about the stairs. Nice wood rails, of course, the metal inserts in going all the way up to the top. So I'll go ahead and see you upstairs. All right, here we are on the 2nd floor. Now, of course, the first thing I notice are these windows. There's 4 of them going all the way down diagonally, matching the stairs. As we come up to the 2nd story, we have our door for the air handler. Now, as I come here, you have 2 different options. You can go left or you can go right. Going this direction does go into the loft and also an amazing patio, one of the biggest patios, bigger patio than I've seen in some multi-million-dollar houses that we filmed. And then we go over to the right, we'll go ahead and show you the primary bedroom suite. So follow me this direction. And then you can see the primary bedroom suite. But before we go in, I'm going to show you one of the 2 closets. So if Jonathan can go in there, you can see plenty of space there for the closet. And then of course, we have our primary suite. Nice king size bed, couple end tables on either side, light fixture hanging from the ceiling. Of course, we have the wood floors throughout as well. And this one has a door going out to a small balcony, especially considering the one on the back of the house. So if I open this up, it's a nice little area here. You can have a couple seats out here, enjoy morning coffee, an evening cocktail, and of course you have the railings, and then you look down on the courtyard, and of course the casita. And if you did have that 2nd story, you would have the 2nd story bedroom up there as well that you can see from the courtyard balcony. So let's go ahead and close this up and then lock it. And then we'll go over to the primary bathroom, which is right behind this really neat sliding door. So sliding it open, sliding it closed, and we come in, we go from the wood floor to this beautiful ceramic tile floor. And of course, we do see we have our sinks, 2 sinks, cabinet, countertop, mirror with Jonathan in it. So if any of you like Spanish or prefer Spanish, make sure you check out our Spanish channel. Jonathan's on there, and he'll be more than happy to tour these homes for you as well. He leads our Spanish team as well, so we do have other agents that don't like to be on camera that he works with also to help you find your home. And of course, as we go, we have this really cool subway tile that's sort of done in diagonal shapes. And then we go this direction, we do have our water closet right behind this nice door, so you have that privacy. And we have a linen closet here as well, nice built-ins. And then, of course, if I look on the other side, we do have our shower. So if I go into the shower, we have that same tile going all the way up to the ceiling. Nice window for natural light. A couple little notches in here for your shampoo and soaps. We have the shower head above us, another shower head there, a couple controllers there, everything you need. So let me close that behind us. Follow me this direction, we'll go ahead that. Now, if you haven't done already, make sure you like and subscribe. We definitely appreciate any support. We have multiple channels, we'll link them all below as well. So, oh wait, one more thing. Thank you, Jonathan. He just snapped his fingers and said, hey, you forgot the 2nd closet. So here's the 2nd closet right here. And we'll close that door, and then we'll go down this hallway, and then we see our washer dryer combo with a little storage area for all your linens and anything that you may need. And then we continue to come down. We'll go right, show you, this would be bedroom 2. So bedroom 2, they have it all done as Batman with the boom, zap, crunch, pow, all thing. And they even have designs of the old Batmobile and the new Batmobile over there as well. At least new to me, but I guess that one's old now too, isn't it? So, and then let's go ahead and go this direction and show you some more artwork here. And then we go over and we go from the wood floor to this really beautiful porcelain tile. And of course we have our sink area here with the brown cabinets, 2 sinks, mirror, light fixtures. And then as I continue to go through, we do have a sliding door here that goes into where the toilet, the tub, and that beautiful tile that goes all the way up to the ceiling as well. So I love this tile, it's a really good tile. You like it too?
Yeah, it's very good.
Yeah, so Jonathan's gonna go actually backwards, and he's actually, I'm gonna close him out right there. So he's actually in the loft, but we'll show you that in just a second. So follow me this direction before we go to that loft area. I'll show you over here. This is the other walk-in closet. So open that up for you to check out. And close it back up. And follow me down here. Now we're back to where we sort of started, where we went to the primary suite and then we had the loft, but we're gonna go ahead and go to the loft. Now this is typically bedroom 4. So if you were looking for bedroom 4, this would be bedroom 4. They currently have it set up as a loft, mainly because they've done the upgraded patio off the back of the house, which is just huge. But as you can see, sitting area, we even have a beverage refrigerator, wine cabinets, everything you need, even some fake popcorn there as well. Just don't try to eat that specific popcorn. And then we had the sliding glass doors going out to the outside. So let's go ahead and go out there. Oh, it's locked. And follow me this direction. As we come outside, check out this. This is a huge patio, nice railings going all the way around. You can see how Laureate Parks are designed with all the houses. They have alleyways in the back with rear entry garages, so all the front of the houses just look like front of homes instead of actually garages. So all one-way streets, as you see, for going in and out of your garage. And of course, we do have our living room area here with cool little designs and decor. And then we even have an outdoor eating area, so you can sit here, 6 people around, eat. And I probably put in an actual barbecue, summer kitchen over on that wall as well. So that is this home. Now, if you are interested in buying anywhere in Florida, especially Orlando, but pretty much I have contacts throughout that I work closely with as I do travel the whole state filming homes. Make sure you contact me. My name is Mike and my direct phone number is 407-487-3030. Be more than happy to talk to you about your home needs, whether you're listing or selling or buying a home. Be more than happy to help you out. So thank you all for watching. Until next time, take care.